Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvelephi usekamereni lakhe, and you can see she is not okay. It is the morning after the day that uDeliwe has passed on, and uMunu, guys, everyone is surprised by uDeliwe's death. It really took everyone by surprise. So as Uvelephi is sitting on her bed, uSamke walks into the room and she's like, Velephi ngithe ngizokubheka ukuthi ulale kanjani. Uvelephi is like, ngizamile khona ukulala. uSamke then says, ungalijabulela itiya noma ijuice. Then Uvelephi just keeps quiet. uSamke is like, Velephi, have you heard the saying, uba mnyama kakhulu mekuzosa? And then she says to her ukuthi yinto enjena ke lena. And umanqoba uzoba right njengoba uDeliwe engasekho. And then Uvelephi looks at uSamke, she's like, unesiqiniseko salokho? uSamke nods her head and she's like, uma kukhona into that will happen endlini or embi ezokwenzakala, mokunomntwana omncane endlini, that thing affects the child ngoba ingane i-weak. So yilento eyenzakelile umanqoba. umanqoba was basically feeling what was going to happen for uDeliwe. Uvelephi then says, manje wena ukwazi kanjani konke lokhu? uSamke then says ukuthi asithi nje ukuthi it's the wisdom that I got when I was growing up. Kodwa Velephi uzolunga. Uvelephi is like, ngingenzelele la tiye with extra sugar ngoba ngiyayidinga into ezongiphakamisa from this bed. And then uSamke is like, oh, okay. I really hope, guys, Uvelephi is not blaming herself, because remember Uvelephi, when she was getting all those phone calls from her mother, she just thought uDeliwe was trying to get attention. So I really hope she's not blaming herself for all of this. Then next thing, guys, we see uLokuzana, uSibongile, she's addressed, usekamereni lakhe, uZama comes in. uZama is like, mngani, I am back, like I never left. Lalela, oh, uyabonakala ebusweni nje ukuthi wena bowungikhumbulile. Bekuphileka nje ngaphandle kwami, oh, uhamba kanjani? uZama is excited to be back, but you can see ukuthi uSibongile is not in the mood. She is not okay. uSibongile then says, siyakwamkela Zama, unjani? uZama is like, hayi bo, lalela mngani, you don't even have to ask ukuthi nginjani, cause cousin wami yonke into ihamba kahle ngo-cousin wami. Oh, she's responding well to the treatment, and not just nje, she's really responding well mngani. So nje, full recovery loading. uSibongile is like, kuhle ukuzwa lokho Zama, kodwa I would like ukuthi next time ungitshele before uhambe. And then uZama is like, ngiyazi mngani, kodwa uSibongile is like, futhi ngesikhathi you left angiphathanga kahle. uZama is like, uqinisile mnganami, I wasn't a good friend. Ngiyaxolisa mngani, I really am. I treated you like garbage because I was going through my own stresses, and abangani abayenzi leyo nto. uSibongile is like, vele abangani abayenzi leyo nto Zama. uZama then says kuSibongile, cela ungixolele mnganami, ngiyazisola about what I did. uSibongile then says, kulungile Zama, futhi mina I'm not angry at you. It's just that like lento yenzile, it really hurt me. uZama then says, mngani, ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo or whatever you are saying, kodwa mngani ngiyabona ukuthi awukho right, khona into off, kwenzakalani? Then uSibongile is like, ukwenzo izinto azihambi kahle phakathi kwami naye. We decided ukuthi sothatha ikhefu kwi-relationship yethu. uZama is like, mngani, ikhefu, a break, or did you guys break up? uSibongile is like, ikhefu Zama. uZama is like, how? Oh, there's not much difference between the two. uSibongile is like, yebo ukhona umehluko Zama, menihlukene nje, it means that i-relationship iphelile nje. uZama says, mngani, the only difference with the breakup is that the delay, or it delays the process of actually breaking up. Or the only difference with the break is that it delays the process of a breakup. uSibongile is like, Zama, ungayikhulumi lento oyishoyo, uyithathaphi vele? Uzama's like, mngani, ayibo, into eyaziwayo lento. It's a well-known fact. Akekho umuntu ongazi ngalento. Oh, but ke kuyahluka depending on the T's and C's. Athina ama-terms and conditions we-break yeni. Usibongile's like, ama-terms and conditions usho ukuthi like what do we do mesithatha ikhefu izinto ezinjalo. Uzama's like na, oh, I mean like angazi, or like uvumelekile ukuthi ubone omunye umuntu, or you allowed to kiss other people, like izinto ezinjalo. Usibongile's like, hayibo, angazi nami siyikhuluma ngaleyo futhi nami like angazi ngifike lapho ngokucabango. And then Uzama's like, mngani, this is important. You have to know, fanele umbuze. Usibongile's like, cha Zama, into engiyaziyo mina angifuni ukulahlekelwa ukwenzo, angikwazi nje ukulahlekelwa ukwenzo mina. And then Uzama's like, eish mngani, and she hugs uNokuzana Usibongile. So it looks like Usibongile, guys, inhloso yakhe is not to break up with ukwenzo. She just needs a breather. But let's just hope ukuthi they have an understanding, because guys, yeah, this thing of ukuthatha ama-break, sometimes it just ruins the whole relationship. Sometimes it's just better for you guys to work through things, because impilo injalo, guys, when you get married one day, you're not going to be able to take breaks like that. You work through problems with your partner, and that's how you grow in your relationships, not through ama-breaks. Or breaks are necessary, but I don't think it's healthy for couples to make use of breaks whenever they're going through challenges. Next scene, kwaDlamini mention unjengaye uwenzeni uVusi benomkakhe uGcina or having breakfast ezansi, and then uThemba comes down the stairs, he's uphethe amabhegi wakhe. Unjengaye is like, and then wena yini ikhwama ezingaka, wenzakalani? And then uThemba's like, yimpahla zami lezi baba. Unjengaye is like, yeah, ngiyabona ukuthi yimpahla yakho lena. Alright mfanami? And then uThemba's like, ngiyahamba baba, ngibuyele ekhaya ngiyohlala noma. uVusi then says, hayibo Themba, ukwenzelani lokho? uThemba then says, uyazi ukuthi ngiwenzelani lokho? uVusi's like, hayi no mfethu, asikho isidingo sokuthi wenze lokhu, hlala phansi Themba. uThemba's like, ngeke ngikwazi, ngiyahamba, ngincamela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyohlala emgaqweni, then ukuthi ngihlale nalo. That time when he said nalo, ukhomba uwenzeni. Uwenzeni just looks down and everyone on the table just looks at her. uThemba then says, baba, ngilahlekelwe yithuba lami elikhulu lebhola. Ngisebenze kanzima baba. Yonke into that I've worked hard for is gone ngenxa yalona. Uwenzeni just looks at her father, she gets up and then she runs up the stairs. uVusi like, wenzeni, yeyi wena. That time uGcina's like, Temp, aluhlale phansi ngiyacela Temp. uThemba sits down. And then uGcina's like, no matter how you feel, your feelings are valid. Kodwa angifuni ucabanga ukuthi ikusasa lakho liphelile nje kanjalo. Siyezwana? Then uThemba's like, yebo ngiyezwa. uGcina's like, awufuni ukuthi sikuphakele into yokudla? And then uThemba's like, ngiyacela. uGcina's like, oh, okay. And then she prepares something for him. Unjengaye looks at uGcina and is like, thank you. Guys, I know uPhetheni and Unjengaye have to do something at this point. I feel like uwenzeni has taken this too far. And many times, and this is not the first time uwenzeni will do things to sabotage uThemba, you guys. And they always let her go nje kanjalo whenever she throws her tantrums. This time around, this is a big thing, guys. uThemba worked so hard to get a position there in that soccer ndondoni, and uwenzeni, like, uwenzeni is just gonna get away with it like that? No, guys, they need to punish her or do something, because she's going to continue thinking it's fine going on like this and treating her brother like this, which is not fair. Again, next scene, kwambambo, we see uSangweni and uVelephi. They are eating kitchen, but they're not talking to one another. They're quiet. Uvuma then walks in. Uvuma then says, izingane zami ningakhohlwa kuzofika omama bomthandazo bomkhuleko namhlanje. Mengibuka isikhathi ngibona ingathi bazofika ngisaphumile. So bengixela nje ukuthi you guys must be prepared for that. He goes and she say ukuthi kunezinto okufanele ukuthi ngizilungise. Velephi bengicela ukuthi ufonele usisi wakho umtshele ukuthi azame ukubuya la ekhaya uze sibe ndawonye sonke. And then uVelephi is like, yebo baba. Uvuma then says, if kukhona okuphuthumayo-ke nizongithola ecingweni. And then Uvuma walks out of the house. Sangweni and uVelephi are left there on the table. Usangweni is like, yes, Velephi. Wena, you are the reason ukuthi ngingamboni uma okugcina. Ukwenzeleni lokho Velephi? uVelephi is like, yimina isizathu. Usangweni is like, Velephi, ubuwazi ukuthi uma bese gula and that any time angadlula emhlabeni kodwa wena wangivimba ukuthi be engiyombona. Yazi Velephi, like ungishe ithuba lokuthi ngibone uma wami like for the last time. Uyenzeleni leyo nto? uVelephi is like, usuqedile? And then uSangweni says, ngiqede ini? Lalela Velephi, ngeke ngize ngixolele yezwa. Yabona lento yenzile ngeke ngize ngixolele, angeke ngiyikhohle, angeke ngixolele. uVelephi is like, Sangweni usuqedile na? uSangweni is like, ngifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi angeke ngize ngikhohle Velephi futhi ngeke ngize ngikuxolele. And then he gets up and then he walks out like that. You can see guys, uVelephi, she's got tears in her eyes for whatever uSangweni just did. I'm sure she feels guilty, but I really do hope ukuthi uSangweni gets to a point where he calms down and realizes ukuthi uVelephi didn't know ukuthi her mother is going to pass on like that. I mean, everyone just knows ukuthi uDeliwe would die hard nje. You know that she will persevere through anything. So no one was expecting this. Okay, next scene, guys, we see uNokuzana, uNomfundo. She is at the Dlamini household with, she's having a meeting, no Phetheni, no Njengaye, and she's like, Lalelani, I'm not trying to tell you ukuthi, how you guys should raise your children. Kodwa lento wenzena yenzile, it's overboard, and I think she needs to be punished. uPhetheni is like, no, asikho isidingo salokho, angeke simpanishe. Uwenzeni sonke siyazi ukuthi the reason why uwenzeni is acting like this is because ugogo wakhe left her like that. Then uNomfundo is like, hayibo, that is not an excuse. uNokuzana uPhetheni is like, okay, you're not gonna come into my house ungidelele ungitshela ukuthi how must I raise my kids after what you did. Then uNomfundo is like, hayibo, like kuyabonakala, like you don't need science to tell you ukuthi ingane vele is not raised by good parents. Uwenzeni indlela aphila ngakhona, indlela aphendula ngakhona. uNjengaye is like, yeah, aniyekeni lento eniyenzayo. I said I'm gonna go to Temba School, ngikhulume neprincipali, and we'll sort this thing out. The scene ends like that, you guys, but I'm just like, uPhetheni, like, I am just so disappointed in her. I'm disappointed because I thought ukuthi, like, she'd at least sympathize with uThemba, that he lost something so big, but she's not even willing to discipline uWenzeni. Hi, you guys. Hi again, next scene, uKhuzwayo endlini vele omama bomthandazo, they are there, you guys. uKhuzwayo is busy taking offering. It's like, sibonge mama, siyabonga ntombazana, siyabonga. Nibatshele bonke abantu nabanye baze nibatshele ukuthi basondele for the funeral and stuff like that. That time mebebeka imali, guys, uKhuzwayo is taking the other money, uyibeke epokothweni. I'm just like, uKhuzwayo yazini. Anyway, as he's doing that, Uvuma walks in. Kusho ukuthi Uvuma's coming back from wherever he was. uKhuzwayo is like, how? Wangena umbulali kadadewethu. Anginasisi namhlanje kungenxa yalona. That time, guys, there's still people in the house while uKhuzwayo is speaking like that. Uvuma then says, Khuzwayo, awukwazi ukukhuluma kanjalo. Sonke siyazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni kuDeliwe. Awukwazi ukukhuluma or awukwazi ukuthi uhambe ukhomba abantu. uKhuzwayo is like, awukwazi nje ukungitshela leyo nonsense wena Vuma. Yi-nonsense leyo nto. Kunje kungenxa yakho. Waqasha udadewethu emini. Waxasho udadewethu enganandawo yokuhlala. She was homeless. Asazi nje njengoba eshonile njengamanje, asazi ukuthi ubulelwe yini. Then one of the ladies bomthandazo says, Khuzwayo, kulesifo la emndenini, khombisa ubele. Ukhuzwayo is like, yeyi wena, ubele bani wena? Le ndoda nginganasisi nje kungenxa yakhe. Wena uzongitshela ukuthi ubele bani lo khuluma ngakho. Uvuma zakhe mthetheleleni bazalwane. Ubuhlungu wenhliziyo okukhulumayo. Usisi wakho mdala was ithemba lakhe, so bengicela ukuthi nimxolele, and then Uvuma just walks away. He walks into the other room. Ukhuza is like, yeah, baleka Vuma, baleka mbulali wodade wabantu. Baleka namhlanje nje anginasisi kungenxa yakho. Then he just starts crying like that. That time you can see he's tipsy, you guys. Next scene ke uSamke decides to give uPhetheni a phone call to inform her of these news. So uPhetheni, when she sees the phone call, she's like, yeah, wena sikhohlakala ufunani? uSamke is like, hey Phetheni, ngiphethe indaba ezimbi, uhleli phansi. uPhetheni is like, hey, just get to the point. Samke uye ungicefezela. Samke tells her ukuthi umngani wethu ushonile. Udeliwe ushonile. She passed away because there was water in her lungs. You can see uPhetheni, guys, she is so surprised. She's like, yo, I did not expect this. Phela udeliwe ngumuntu oqinile, like how kanjani, like yebo. And then uPhetheni just hangs up the phone. When she hangs up the phone, guys, she starts crying. I was surprised that uPhetheni was even crying about this. I thought she would say ukuthi akanandaba, but listen, guys, uDeliwe's death is just impacting everyone. And then we later see uPhetheni, she's having a conversation no Gwenzo. She's telling Gwenzo ukuthi Gwenzo bengicela ukuthi you must go and see uSibongile umthulele indaba yokuthi uma wakhe akasekho phela. She goes on to say, no Thabile ke simswaphile, so uThabile akasekho se-ofisini. But anyway, I think you really need to go and support uSibongile. Next scene, Uvuma's cleaning one of the rooms. Ukhuzayo walks in. Ukhuzayo is like, oh, Ulana. Then Uvuma's like, Sibali, seniyikhokheli inkuni nazibeke esibayeni. Yakhumbula bengicela Sibali ukuthi bengicela ungibhekele inyama nama-drink sengiqedile ngalokho. Ukhuzayo that time is drunk, guys. He's carrying an alcohol bottle there. Ukhuzayo then says, ngingumfana wakho mina. Noma ngiyiboy yakho. Uvuma's like, Sibali, yehlisa utshwala buzophethanisa notshwala, like yehlisa. Ukhuzayo then says ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe when yakhuluma. Ngifuna ukukutshela yabona udadewethu udeliwe ngeke anqakele eqobo. Uvuma's like, ngeke? Uthi angeke? Then Ukhuzayo says, udadewethu uzonqakela emadadeni. Uvuma's like, ngobani? Ukhuzayo then says, ngoba usho mina insizwa enkulu Sibali. Udadewethu uzolala endlini yakhe yokugcina emadadeni la kwalala khona abomkhulu bethu nokhokho bethu, hayi la eduzane kwakho mbulali. Uvuma then says, uyakhumbula kodwa ukuthi udeliwe unguMrs Mbambo. Then Ukhuzayo is like, ngithe thula mengikhuluma Sibali. Sukela namhlanje yimina olawula yonke into. Yimina ozosho ukuthi kwenzakalani, nini, sikhatsini, kanjani. Uvuma's like, wena na. Ukhuzayo is like, yimina ophethe la Sibali. Uvuma then says, bese mina ngenzani? Ukhuzayo then says, nutho. Wena nje, you are not even allowed emngcwabeni wadadewethu, and the scene ends like that, you guys. I'm just like, hey bo, Anyway, guys, then last scene we see Unokuzana Sibongile. She's in her room. Next thing, the door opens. Ukwenzo comes in and is carrying flowers. When Usibongile sees Ukwenzo, she jumps and she's like, Ukwenzo, she jumps him. She's like, how am I? I'm so happy to see you. Uzelani uzoxolisa ufuna ukuthi sibuyelane angithi? Your Ukwenzo's trying to, break the, it's awkward for him. He's like, Sibongile, ngicela u-security ukuthi angingenise. I brought these flowers to you. Empeleni uma othe ngiwalethe, but I'm here to offer my condolences. Usibongile starts looking confused with my condolences yani. Ukwenzo's like, ngizokududuza. I know ukuthi these flowers are gonna make a difference and me being here is going to make a difference. Sibongile, ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi uMamDeliwe akasekho. Usibongile zakho uMamDeliwe akasekho. And then Ukwenzo just hugs her. You can see Usibongile, she is in disbelief. And then the episode ends like that. Now, guys, I was just like, yo, like they're just gonna leave it like that, guys. Now, there has been reports, guys, ukuthi Usibongile and the Dlaminis, they are taking a production break. So I don't know if there are going to be new episodes coming up next week. We will wait and see, but I doubt. But anyway, guys, that's where they decided to stop things for this week. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.